Hi guys, welcome to day 309 of the big vlog. That's right, 309. You know what that means? Yeah.
Bonfire night.
That's right, it's Bonfire Night, the annual celebration in the UK of when somebody tried to blow up the government and we let this happen. I say we, but I actually mean the government. I mean, I think it's quite cool that we can have a celebration of when we used to try and blow up our government. Yet now we try and stop that happening. Again, I mean the government. Oh, this is getting tiresome, isn't it? Look, it's a celebration of in 1605 when Guy Fawkes and some other conspirators tried to get together and blow up the Houses of Parliament. And to celebrate this fact now, I don't even know when that started, but we light bonfires to sort of signify, I guess, the burning of the Parliament, and also to set off lots of fireworks because he tried to blow up the gunpowder. It's not like he's going to try and use biscuits, is he? That sounded funny in my head. I've got a pretty good view of the fireworks over the city from my house, and I'd like to share that with you as a little bonfire night present. Have some lovely oohs and ahs with Snare's fireworks. Explosion! Ooh! Ah! Yes, apologies. But here's some real fireworks. Enjoy.
Explosions.
So please be safe with all your fireworks if you're in the UK tonight and tomorrow. Most people do at the weekend. But I just want you to be safe, be happy, follow the instructions, you know, this is the boring bit, but follow the instructions of all the fireworks and have a great time. So from me, Snare, to you, the Snared, because you are, and you have been, pointy pointy, I shall see you tomorrow. And so will the tash, which you can see is starting to take shape here. Awesome. Goodbye.